The DEWALT D089LG Green Beam Laser Kit is designed for high-precision leveling and layout tasks, making it a versatile tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Equipped with green beam laser technology, this device offers enhanced visibility, being 4 times brighter than traditional red lasers, thus improving accuracy and range in various lighting conditions. The inclusion of 360-degree line lasers allows for comprehensive room layout, ensuring that all alignment needs are met efficiently. Its robust construction includes an over-molded housing with water and debris resistance, providing durability and reliability in challenging environments. The kit's compatibility with 12-volt rechargeable batteries ensures extended usage times, reducing the need for frequent battery changes during projects. Additional features, like the integrated magnetic bracket and pulse mode for detector use, make this laser kit a highly adaptable and user-friendly tool.